Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will see for loop in Python and we will see how to use for loop. So before starting this session, I will explain what is for loop. Looping means suppose you want to repeat particular statement more than once, then you can use loop. Okay, loop is also called iterative statement. Iterative means the statement will execute more than once. Okay, if we talk about for loop, then for loop is used for iterating over a sequence. What is the meaning of this line, iterating over a sequence? Sequence means in Python there is a concept of collection like dictionary, list, set. Okay, so we can iterate the element of list or set by using this for loop. Okay, you can easily understand by this example. As you can see here, example, we have taken the example of fruits. Here we can easily see fruits equal to first element orange, second element papaya, and third one grapes. And if you want to iterate all the element of this list, then you can write for x in fruits. So x start from 0 index to the last index, and all the element of fruits will appear by using this statement for x in fruits. So x indicate what? So x is a kind of variable. Each time it will extract the new value from the list. And fruits, in fruits means from fruits list your loop will extract the value. Okay, so each time print x value will change. First time when for x in fruits will execute, then first time it will take 0 index value orange, so this time orange will print. Next time for x in fruits again will execute, then papaya will print. Next time for x in fruits again execute, then grapes, x value will become grapes, so grapes will print. So in this way you can use for loop in Python. In Python, if we talk about for loop, then there is no need to mention index, just like other languages C++. When we use for loop in other languages like C or Java, then we mention index number also. If you see here, we did not mention index number. It simply means in for loop you can directly access the values of the list. Suppose you want to access the value from the string, then you can also uh, write like this for x in, and you can directly write any string like my value. So you can directly write this string also. Okay, so you can write print x. So this is the example of a string also. So first index m, second index y, third index v, and a l u e. In this way the string will print. Okay, so for x in my value, and you have to put colon, and here after the colon you have to give one space, this is indentation. Okay, so in this way you can use for loop in Python. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, you can write into comments box. So thank you for watching.